Hey everybody, we are on 5.2 practice problem. We started out looking at future value calculations. Now we are looking at present value, calculating present values of time value money cash flows. So we're going to look at the first problem here on ICA 5-2. And the question is, what is the present value of $1,050 to be received 1 year from now if your opportunity cost is 5%? Or in essence, the interest rate is 5%. So we are looking to see what our present value is of $1,050. We expect to get $1,050 in a year from now. So that'd be 1 year. My interest rate is 5%. My opportunity cost would be 5%. So what we need to find, what we need to calculate is what is the value today that I would need in order to get $1,050 in a year from now at 5%. So to do this, we can use my function, my insert function. We're going to look for present value. Present value. I'm looking for the present value function. We want PV, the PV function for present value. Hit OK. Now, again, it asks you for certain inputs. We need the rate, number of periods, and future value. Remember, at this point, we're just ignoring the payment and the type inputs. We just need those. So rate, my cursor's in rate. Now my rate is 5%. Number of periods, we just have 1. My future value is $1,050. We click OK. And we see that the present value of that would be $1,000. So we would have to deposit $1,000 today in a bank account earning 5% a year. After 1 year, if that's all true, we would have $1,050. Well, let's do it for the next one. What is the present value of $1,000 to be received 15 years from now if your opportunity cost is 7% or if the interest rate in the bank would be 7%? So again, we want to know what we would have to deposit in the bank today if we're going to have $1,000 in the future. So we know our future value is 1,000. We know number of periods is 15. I didn't mean to change that. We have 15 years annual compounding. My interest rate is 7%. So we're going to find the present value. We can use our PV function. I can, instead of using the insert function button, I can just type in equals, use the PV function, parentheses, looking for my rate. So I know my rate's underneath this box down here. Hit comma. Number of periods is 15. Payment, we don't have a payment. Future value is 1,000. We close the parentheses. So that is my formula to calculate present value. And we would have to deposit $362.45 in order to have $1,000 in the bank in 15 years at 7% interest.